Alright, so you're looking at another Silverado with a collapse lifter. This one is going to be on cylinder 4 right there as well. I believe that's the same cylinder as the last one I showed. If you're interested in seeing the process of tearing this down and replacing the lifter, let me know in the comments. Hopefully I can get you some content on tearing it down, how to replace it, and how I hope to prevent this problem from happening again in the future. There's a few different ways you can go about that. So if you find this kind of stuff interesting, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I try to post some pretty useful information here and there. And yeah, just let me know, y'all. If y'all want to see it, I'll do my best to make sure I can get it recorded for y'all.